In this video, I'm going to show you how to sum in Excel. So if you wanted to summarize something in Excel, this is how you do it. Over here, as you can see, I have a few random numbers that I just wrote in, and we're going to summarize some of them as well as all of them together, and I'm going to show you how. So you want to go into a cell where you would like to get the summary, or where you would like to kind of summarize all the numbers, and you want to do the equals, and then type in sum. There we go. And then you want to do an opening bracket, and then as you can see, it says you need to first input number 1. So let's say I first want to, let's say the first number I want to summarize is 55, the first one, and then you want to put in a semicolon. There we go. And then you want to put in a number 2, so let's say 133, and then again another semicolon, and then let's say I want 124, and then you want to put an end bracket to this, press enter, and that's it. We just summarized those 3 numbers. Now, if you want to know which 3 numbers you summarized, you can just simply double click on this, and you can see these 3 numbers have been highlighted, okay? Now, that's the first way of doing it. But if you have a lot of numbers that are in order and are, let's say, all of these numbers, and I want to summarize all of them quickly, you can simply do again, so equals, and then sum, bracket, and then you can just simply drag from the first to the last number, and then end bracket, and there we go. It summarized all these numbers over here. There's also another alternative where you don't have to type in manually. So again, you do equals, sum, and then bracket, and you just simply do the first one, and then press the Control key. So you want to hold down the Control key and just click on all of the ones you would like to summarize. There we go. And then end bracket, and then there we go. When you press enter, you get the summarized number. And that's how you use the sum function in Excel.